Everyone's vehicle is covered. My vehicle floating away.
Flood inside.
Oh my God, what's our cool room? What's our cool room, mercy? We're live on the spot. Hurricane. Oh my God, the cheese. Oh fuck. Mercy, our cool room. Underwater, mercy. Our cool room underwater, mercy.
Flood everywhere. Flood inside. That's people working area. Flood. Chef office. Flood.
The guests were evacuated from the Caribou. This is the situation at Caribou right now.
Hold on, the wiper just go, come on and
Core-infested Flamboyant Drive. Everyone's vehicle is covered. My vehicle floating away.
I look like boy. Still a little debris falling from that day. Yeah, sir. Sabah block. I think they are passing for the time.